boys and girls, we are in our green Part 2 ELA notebook, and we are on page 47, our very last page. So go ahead, get that open. You need scissors today. Get that open now. So what I did was I cut on the dotted line to cut this piece out. Then I cut my wand out because you're going to want this wand. Your job, so this is the Tryin Lion strategy. What that means is it's the same strategy that we called what would make sense. So when you're reading, one of the important things you should do is think about what word would make sense there. And sometimes, these are all at the end of the sentence, which is nice, but sometimes the word will be in the middle of the sentence. So sometimes you read, skip the word, keep reading, then you have to go back to think about what word would make sense there. These are at the end of the sentence, so what we're going to do is cover the dark word. We're going to pretend that's a word we don't know. And we're going to read the sentence and see if we could figure out what that sneaky word is. I like to swim in the, what could it be? What do they all like to swim in? And if I start to see one letter, pool. I like to swim in the pool. Going down, cover up this piece. Ready? I like to walk in the, and you can take a look, where are they? And if you only see parts of the word, I like to walk in the park. Okay, so that's what you're doing, is you're covering at least part of the word. We always can figure out the first sound for the most part, except that tricky A that says all sorts of sounds. But you're going to cover the word, think about what word would make sense there, and then slowly uncover the word and see if the letters match what you thought, okay? There can be words that more than one word could make sense. So it is important that you also check the letters and make sure they look right and they sound right, okay? So we first think, so step one, cover the word and think, what would make sense in this sentence? Step two, slowly uncover the word and see if it matches what you thought, okay? So you have your little wand, and you'll just go through each sentence, read the sentence as best you can, cover the word, the dark word, and figure out what would make sense there. This is a great strategy. Make sure you're using it in your own reading as well. So go through each sentence and do